Welcome. My name is Robert Kaiser, CEO of PPSS Body Armor, and we are a specialist manufacturer of bespoke knife and slash resistant clothing using our very own and just recently developed material called Cutex Pro. Now, what is Cutex Pro? Cutex Pro is an ultra high cut resistant fabric using a combination of very technical and high performance fibers we have found recently. Before I bore you to death and tell you too much about standards and certifications, I really believe in the English saying, the proof is in the pudding, or actions speak louder than words. So please watch the following 2 or 3 presentations or demonstrations, and I hope they will convince you that our garments are really as good as I say. Now, this is one of the best knives ever made. It's a Navy SEAL 2000 combat knife. Another demonstration I want to show you is using a Stanley knife, a knife that's been used to cut carpets and also often found in prison environments, for example, where they use one-way razor blades, break them into pieces, attach them to toothbrushes and use them as a very dangerous weapon, of course. You can see and you can feel the pain of the Stanley knife making impact on your skin, and you feel the pointed edge very, very sharply in your skin. So it creates pain, but as you can see, it even scratches the surface of our material, Cutex Pro. But another piece of material that in recent years has caused horrendous injuries is glass, but also very thin metal. And we've got a number of inquiries from metal pressing companies and glass manufacturing companies. So we want to use a small piece of glass to show you that our Cutex Pro material can also prevent injuries caused by glass or very thin pieces of metal. Do it again, please. You all must agree if I say that any of these cuts could have caused horrendous injuries, potentially in a worst case scenario, can even cost human life. Our Cutex Pro material will save human life at some point in the future. We at PPSS really believe that. Our garment, our Cutex Pro material has been tested by Intertek, one of the world's leading authorities in consumer testing and testing laboratories. It has been tested to the British standard and the European standard BSEN 388, which is blade cut resistant level for gloves. It's also been tested to the international standard BSEN ISO 13997. And the result was astonishing. The result was that we have been issued with blade cut resistant level 5, which is the highest possible blade cut resistant level for cut resistant gloves, for example. In fact, it only requires 22 Newton to pass level 5. And the test result showed us that it took 25.2 Newton for a blade to penetrate our garment. And that makes it probably the strongest cut-resistant textile in the world right now. The applications for our slash knife and cut-resistant material, Cutex Pro, are absolutely unlimited. We have received orders for Cutex Pro lined boiler suits for high security mental health hospitals. We have received a very large order from one of the world's leading metal pressing companies with a number of injuries with the factory workers. We also supplying special needs schools with sleeves, as they have been dealing with a number of bite-related incidents. We already supplied a local authority in the United Kingdom with Cutex Pro lined workwear trousers for some of the refuse collectors. Enforcement officers, in my opinion, should generally look into this product. Talk anybody working for trading standards, licensing, housing enforcement, environmental health enforcement, parking enforcement. They're all on the front line and often deal with individuals under the influence of Class A drugs, or individuals are unhappy for one reason or another. So we believe it's a great piece of product, a great garment for those individuals. Professionals working within prison services, social and healthcare services. What I think the great advantage is of our material is it's 100% concealable. So if you're working with enforcement, it actually allows you to use your personality, your diplomacy, your negotiation skills to defuse a potentially very hostile situation. However, if something goes wrong, you still have got a great protection in place. So I believe that in the long run, our material will, without a shadow of a doubt, will save human lives and certainly prevent the risk of sometimes horrendous injuries. If you've got any more questions, and I'm sure you have, and I apologize if I haven't answered all the questions you might have at this stage, then please be so kind and watch our website. And we've got a lot of very interesting and relevant information listed on our website. And the address is ppss-group.com, or simply call us. It's a UK-based telephone number. It's 0845 5193 953. And I can assure you that we will do our absolutely very best to take care of your problems, your issues, or your inquiries. We are here to help you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and all the very best.